Zhejiang Rutong Valve Co. Limited, located in the east of Longwan District, is a national high-tech enterprise. After years of development and growth, our company has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14000, ISO 14500 system certification, TSCE, Good certificate. We have matching center, digital controlled lathes, automatic welding machines, automatic process equipments. It is a comprehensive enterprise integrated with castings, research and development, manufacturing, sale and service. Our main products are ball valve, gate valve, globe valve, check valve, butterfly valve, striator with stainless steel and cast steel material. Our products are widely applied to petrochemical, natural gas, food, medicine, environment valves. Products have been exported to European, Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, and well received by the customers. Our company promotes a modern and new management model with the principle of quality first, customer first, integrated management, and continuous innovation. We will improve our products' quality and work efficiency constantly, and develop new products positively. Welcome, join us, create better future.